Now, good morning students of class 5th. Now we will go to chapter 12, standard 5. The name of topic is order of adjectives, multiple adjectives. Now, I will tell you there are different types of adjectives, but which adjective come first and which adjective come last? It is difficult to point out, to choose which adjective should be used first, then, likewise. If a number of adjectives are given, so we must use a particular adjective first, then after, likewise. There is somehow rule and regulation for it. My dear students, when a number of adjectives are given in a sentence, we have to arrange it in a particular order. Otherwise, it will lapse its meaning. अर्थात पिला मैंने एक बा एकाधिक adjective जब दिया जाए तेरे adjective गुड़ी को एक निर्दिष्ट क्रम में हमको लिखिवा पड़ेगा. Otherwise, the sentence has lost its originality. नाले वाक्य तार निजस्वता रहेगा. That means the life of the sentence became lifeless and the sentence become meaningless. So it is our duties and responsibilities to arrange these adjectives. Just you go to your book, open your book, page 48. I want to buy a car. The dealer wants to know what kind of car you want to buy. You say, I want to buy a yellow car. I want to buy a new car. I want to buy a Japanese car. I want to buy a beautiful car. I want to buy a big car. The dealer sum up. So, you want to buy a yellow, new, Japanese, beautiful, big car. The order of adjective written down by the dealer is not correct and sensible. So you see, here a person is going to buy a car. अर्थात एटी गोटे लोक गोटे कार किनिया पे जाउछ. He said to the dealer, I want to buy a new car. I want to buy a yellow car. I want to buy a Japanese car. I want to buy an ambassador car. Likewise, the person used many things. So the dealer said, you want to buy an yellow Japanese Audi car. So you see, these adjectives are used in a haphazard way. As it is used in a haphazard way, the sentence is completely senseless. That is meaningless or lifeless. To make it a proper sentence, we have to arrange adjectives in a particular order. So what is the order of adjective? Now go to the blackboard. Order of an adjective. So my dear students, I have made a formula to remember you. Overcome. O-A-come. O-A-A-C-O-M. O-A-come. O for opinion. A for appearance. A for age. C for color. O for origin. M for material. My dear students, when a number of adjectives are given, you have to arrange like this. First you have to write O, means opinion. What do you mean? It means maybe good, bad, low, high, tall, short, smart. These are the opinions. First, these adjectives are used first. Soon after opinion, you have to use the adjective number 2, that is appearance. What is? In appearance, you have to write first size, then shape, then condition. First you write size, then shape, then condition. Then age, new, old, young, child, like his age. Then color, red, blue, white, pink, like this. Then origins, American, Japanese, Chinese, like this. Then material, cotton, iron, silver, gold, like this. So these are the arrangement of adjectives. Otherwise, if you write in any other way, the sentence must be senseless or meaningless or charmless. My dear students, always remember my short formula O I come. O for origin, A for appearance, A for age, C for color, O for origin, and M for material. Now again I will tell you. O A come. O A C O M. O for opinion, A for appearance, A for age, C for color, O for origin, M for material. So you just open your book and go to the page number 49. Open your book, go to page number 49 for better understand. You see first opinion. Good, bad, beautiful, ugly, smart, dumb. Appearance. In appearance, three things are mentioned. One is first size, then shape, then condition. Size or measurement. Big, small, high, low. Shape, round, square, circular, rectangular. Condition, broken, cracked, ripped, fresh, rotten, developed. Then go to age. New, antique, old, young, newborn, 5 years old, like this. Color, red, blue, white, like this. Origin, American, Chinese, Japanese, Germany, Indian, like this. Material, iron, brass, cotton, gold, silver, vegetables. These are the material. So after that, we get a meaningful construction of a sentence. Use the above order of adjectives. You can say to the car dealer. Kaun kaiba? Now I want to buy a beautiful, big, new, yellow Japanese car. First you use opinion, then appearance, then age, then color, then origin, then material. Remember, origin comes before material. Material refers to iron, copper, silver, gold, cotton, plastic, like this. Origin refers to American, European, Japanese, Indian, and so on. So color, red, white, blue, pink, etc. Age, new, old, like this. And appearance, you may use first size, then shape, then size, shape, and condition. So after opinion, it may be good, bad, ugly, beautiful, smart, like this. Soon after you get a particular sentence. My dear students, you have to remember my formula. O I come, then you get a beautiful structure or arrangement of adjectives. 11. ମୋ ଦ୍ୱାରା ଦିଆଯାଇଥିବା O A come, O A C O M को रिमेम्बर को मन रखा सबले रिमेम्बर करा माइंडली ताको बारंबार पुनरावृत्ति घटा एवं सही अनुसार एडजेक्टिव गुडी को क्रमान्वये सजै लेखा देखिबा तमे पाउ लेखुदिबा वाक्य सेंसफुल in place of senseless and must be a meaningful sentence and appreciated by all. Thank you, my dear students. You should practice it more and more again. Again, tomorrow you will go to, you will learn a little while. Thank you so far, my dear students. Stay home, be safe, be away from corona. Thank you.